Alright, so we gotta change this thing. Unfortunately. Got the water off and hopefully it comes off. That's what happens, you work on this old stuff and sometimes it just can't, you know, as soon as you touch it, you shut it off and turn it back on and it starts leaking, right?
Yeah, or it snaps when you take it off. Yeah.
Just what happens to me, I get old and I don't move, I don't work like I used to.
I don't either.
It's like, what the hell? I'm only 60, but I remember having I got an 18-year-old mind and a 60-year-old body.
Oh, wait till you're 74 like me.
That's what happened to my father was like that. He was a fucking animal. We're gonna put a new gasket in there too and do both. Is it possible that it's this gasket? I don't know, maybe. I can even get it off. You like that?
What's that?
Watch yourself.
Yeah.
$20-year-old mind and a
Yeah.
60-year-old body.
Yeah.
Ooh, what do we got there? Somebody don't want me around here. Unfortunately. Shit bunnies from hell over here.
What's that?
Shit bunnies from hell.
Uh-oh.
What the hell was that come off?
I heard it, but I didn't see it.
These things are never easy to get off. What kind of dogs you got down there?
They're both from the same litter, and the father was a Rottweiler, and the mother a kind of Corset.
Wow, Rottweiler. Yeah, don't let them out. Well, what happens, this is what happens. I work in these houses, people call me in, right?
Yeah.
And then, oh, the dog's locked up. Well, then the kid wakes up, right?
Yeah, lets the dog out.
And the kid wakes up and lets the dog out. And then the dog comes after me. I had this happen to me a bunch of times.
Yeah.
That's why when I heard the dogs, I tell them, don't let that flipping dog out. It's happened to me.
I'm sure it has.
That's why, if the homeowner, like you're here and the dog comes after me, I got a chance.
Yeah, I call it.
Without that, I'm in the stranger's house working on
Yeah,
it.
you're in trouble. Yeah.
I'm in big trouble. And these flipping people, well, the kid don't go to bed till 4 o'clock in the morning, stumbles out of bed at 11 o'clock, and
Let the dog out.
yeah, what's the dog doing locked up? Yeah, oh, it'll fucking kill me. The what?
The wall.
Oh, the plastic.
Yeah.
That's them green tile things.
Yeah.
Makes it easier to solder. And it'll be fine like that. This is a little fucking long. I gotta cut it. Hold off. That's the best way to ream it. That's the best way to ream that. Yeah, don't call now. Always a problem. Things are always a fucking problem to get them on there. Alright, that's good. And now cover it. Alright. Solder that up. About burning the place down. Sweating my ass off up here.
I'll bet you are. Yeah.
Huh?
I'll bet you are.
Let that cool and we'll try it. Put a little supply in there too. Wasn't planning on changing that, but what are you gonna do? Things dripping, right?
Yeah.
Can't leave it. Can't have a...
I'm not surprised that the further you get into it, the more you see.
Well, as far as this faucet goes, I mean, I could try fixing the bathroom faucet, but I mean, it's probably
Probably gonna get a new one.
80 years old, right?
I don't know when they did the second floor. The second floor was finished after the original owner.
Well, it's probably a good 30, 40 years
20,
old.
30 anyway.
At
yeah.
least 30. I mean,
People before us bought the house in
I want to turn it back on.
2005 or something like that.
Make
Had
sure.
it for 20 years.
Make sure that this works before we go any further.
Yeah.
This is my main concern, is this toilet valve. We'll work on one thing and there's a problem, you know, and can't have a flood.
Right.
Alright, let's go turn it on and we'll see if it leaks. You know how to turn it on, or you want me to go do it?
I'll go try.
Right, you gotta shut the kitchen faucet off
Yeah.
and then turn that valve on that riser.
Okay.
See if it works. Hopefully it don't leak. I hope it don't. Hopefully. He's gonna try, so. gotta replace the toilet handle downstairs. Got no shots of that, but it's an old valve, man. It was flipping, leaking, and packing. No leaks. Wasn't planning on doing that, but what are you gonna do? I wonder if this is the hot or the cold. Seems like the hot. This fucking faucet's pretty old.